Hello student, in last video we learned how the grooms helped the Sindbad and they took the Sindbad to the king. And on the way Sindbad told the king what had happened with him on the Ireland. So king offered him to work on his port as an officer. So today we will see is the Sindbad was ready to work with the king as an officer on his port. So first we will read the lesson. You have to put your finger on page number 8, para number 2. Sindbad stayed there for a few days, learning a lot from the king and the people on the Ireland, and in turn telling them about the other cities and ports that he had visited. At the port, Sindbad often made inquiries about any ships coming from or going to Baghdad, but no such ships ever came to that port. Now, see the children, we saw the Sindbad was ready to work with the king and he learned a lot from the king and the people on that island. So, Sindbad telling them about the cities and the ports which he had visited. And what he did at the port, he made an inquiries. Why he inquires or what he inquires? He inquires to the person if any ships coming from the Baghdad or going to Baghdad. But the person told them in that way or that type of ships never came from Baghdad or never went to the Baghdad. Now see the next para. Then one day a ship arrived at the Ireland with a lot of merchandise. Sindbad was at the quay when the cargo from that ship was being unloaded. He was surprised to see that his own name was marked on some of the boxes. Then he went to see the captain of the ship. At first, the captain could not believe that it was the same Sindbad that they had seen drowning in the sea. But when Sindbad spoke to him face to face, he recognized him. He was overjoyed to see Sindbad alive. He gave him back all his merchandise. Now see, Sindbad was inquires every time if any ships come from Baghdad or any ship went to the Baghdad, but the person informed them no one ships came from Baghdad or no one ships went to the Baghdad. But one day what happened? He saw a one ship arrived in his Ireland with a lot of merchandise. Merchandise means we already told things for sale. So Sindbad was the quay. Quay means a platform where the cargo means ships, where the ships being loaded or unloaded. Okay, so he was surprised to see his own name was marked on some boxes. Now what happened? So he went near the ship to see the captain of that ship. First, when the captain saw the Sindbad, the captain was never believe, because when they saw the Sindbad, they thought the Sindbad was drowning in the sea. How it is possible? So when they come face to face, then they recognize and they both was very happy. Why they are happy? Because they saw the Sindbad was alive. He never drowning in the sea. And the captain what did? He gave all his merchandise back to the Sindbad, and they was very happy to Sindbad. He was alive. Now see the next. From the goods that he thus got back, Sindbad presented the most valuable items to the king of the Ireland, saying, "Please accept this, your majesty. You have been very kind and very generous to me." The king was pleased. He too gave Sindbad many valuable gifts when Sindbad left the Ireland with the merchant ship. If you want to know what happened to Sindbad afterwards, you have to read the rest of the story of his fantastic voyages. Now see the children. The captain of the ships, he gave all the merchandise, means the valuable things or which things he brought for sale, that all things given to Sindbad. So what the Sindbad did? From that things, he select a most valuable things to gifted a king. So he took the most valuable things and went to meet the king. And what he said? "Oh, my majesty, you have to accept these things because you are very kind and generous. You help me in my difficult situation. So please you have to accept this." So king also pleased. And what he did? He also gave to Sindbad some valuable things when the Sindbad was left his Ireland. So children understood what had happened with Sindbad, how he come out from that, and how he live his life. Again, if you want to more about the Sindbad, you have to learn or you have to read his fantastic voyages. So you will get the more information about the Sindbad. So children understood the Sindbad story. You have to revise the video and read the lesson. This is your homework.